There's free gift for everyone on Swiggy Instamart. Let's see and check out what's the gift, right? Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy. Aap kaise ho? Yes, this is some of the items I have ordered on Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, you can see the items I have ordered. Along with the items I have ordered, I received one surprise free gift. I'll tell you in the later part of the video what is the minimum order you have to place in order to get surprise free gift. And if you're not getting any surprise free gift, don't worry, you'll have a freebie. I'll show you how you can get that freebie. Okay, let me tell you the offer details now. A mega savings festival is on. You can check out. This is Kaju Katri. This I've got it for 75 rupees. You've got 50% and above discounts on grocery and other items. You can check out. You can see this is from Amul brand. It tastes good. This is one more item I have purchased. This is Horlicks Barfi. This tastes super good. If you haven't tasted this, you can just go for it. It melts in your mouth. This is from Lal brand. This I have got it for just 48 rupees. There are many other sweet delicacies you can check out on Swiggy Instamart with a discount price of 70% or 50% above. As Mega Savings Festival is on, you've got 1 kg sugar for order value 999. See how it looks? It looks delicious, right? It just melts in mouth. Okay, now we'll unbox the free gift. Ready? Just go 1, 2, 3. Yes, here comes. This is Magnum. You all know it costs 99 rupees. This is the free gift I've got. Of course, surprise free gift. It looks yummy, right? This is one of the most world's luxurious brands of ice cream, as you all know. It's covered with a chocolatey layer and it melts in mouth. It's an almond flavor. You can try this. It tastes good. But don't worry of the calories that you carry after having this ice cream, because it has got a lot of nutrients and vitamins that are essential in functioning of your body, right? Yes, now we'll see how to place an order. If you want a free gift from Swiggy Instamart, this is surprise free gift. As you see in the picture, when you go to Swiggy, if you are new to Swiggy, you can use my referral code and get the referral reward. I'll put the video in the I button and screen and description box. You can check out. As you see in the picture, once you open Swiggy app, this is the home page that appears. You click on Open Now. After that, you'll see a surprise gift box of Swiggy open up, unlocking your gifts. So you have 3 options here. You can choose your gift according to your choice. I've chose the Magnum ice cream. After you choose the free gift, make sure that you place the order within 24 hours of time to get free gift or claim free gift. Now click on Order Now. You have Mega Savings Festival right now going on, as I told earlier. If you order 999, you'll be getting 1 kg free sugar. As you see in the picture, you can scroll down and order. Once you start adding items to the cart, it will prompt you how much you got to add in order to get freebie, as you see in the picture. Here my cart value is 200 rupees in order to unlock freebie or free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Now click on View Cart. Now click on View More Coupons and Offers. Apply the coupon surprise gift as shown in the picture. Click on Apply. That's it, done. After you apply the surprise gift coupon, click on Proceed to Pay. You can choose any of the modes that are available over there and place your order. That's it, done. If any of you not getting surprise free gift, you can go for freebie as shown in the picture. Once you add the items to the cart on Swiggy Instamart, it will prompt you how much worth items you got to add to cart in order to get freebie. That's it done. This is how you can enjoy freebies and free gifts or the surprise free gifts from Swiggy Instamart. Okay, did you like the surprise free gift or freebie from Swiggy Instamart? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.